Let's start by importing the required Python libraries: OS, random, pygame, and time. Then we define a few global constants. We create a function called generateMaze that fills the entire grid with walls. This function sets up our maze layout using a 2D list. Inside the maze generator, we define a carve function. This uses recursive backtracking to dig through the grid, carving a random path. Now we initialize pygame and set up our display window. We calculate a size that's 75% of the user's screen and center it. Next, we load 3 images: trees for the walls, a gate for the goal, and a player icon. These are scaled to fit the tile size. Let's set up some essential variables. Score starts at 0, the player starts at level 1, and we track total game time. This while loop controls how many levels the player can complete. For each new level, we generate a maze. We place the player at position 1, 1, and the goal near the opposite corner of the grid. This creates a clear objective. Within each level, we check for quit events, keyboard inputs, and update the game every 15 frames per second. Now we check for arrow key presses. If the player tries to move into an empty tile, we update their position. We loop through the grid and render the maze. Wall tiles show trees. The goal tile displays the gate. To help guide the player, we draw brown cross lines on walkable paths. It's a nice visual touch. We draw the player on top of the maze. We also render the score, current level, and a countdown timer. If the player reaches the goal, they get 100 points and move on to the next level. If the timer hits 0, we show a message. Once all levels are completed, we display a win message along with the final score and total time. Congrats! You've built a full maze escape game in Python using pygame. Want more projects like this? Follow along.